welcome to my channel. This is your girl Shayla. I just wanted to start off with a quick introduction as this will be my first video and I'm also new to YouTube. So today I am going to be making a nice keto friendly dinner. I was keto for about a good year. I fell off for about 3 months or so, and so now I am going to get back on. Over the 3 to 4 months I gained 13 pounds. My lowest weight was 168 and now I'm 181 and some change. So here's me getting a restart to keto, and I want to start by giving you guys a video, so stay tuned. Alright guys, I forgot to add that I will be using some ghee. Ghee, there we go, which is clarified butter. The sausage cooks that fast. As you guys can see, it is already pretty much done and ready to be pulled out. The bacon is still over here frying, but cooking good. So to that, I'll just add my cabbage. I'll go ahead and season it. And then once the cabbage has wilted down a lot, then I will go ahead and add the sausage and the shrimp. Alright guys, so as you can see, the bacon is pretty much done. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and throw my garlic in there, go ahead and add my cabbage, and then I'll start preparing the shrimp. Alright guys, just checking in on the cabbage. As you see, it is actually cooking very well, starting to wilt up some. So I know it won't be long before this is done, and it's looking and smelling really good. So I am actually about to get ready to start on the shrimp. We all know shrimp don't take that long to cook, but I am going to go ahead and get it started so then I can go ahead and mix everything together and add a little more seasoning to the cabbage, shrimp, and sausage all at once. Alright guys, so just like that, the shrimp is done. Let's go ahead and turn that off. Sprinkle a little lemon juice on there. Yes, I like to do it while it's still hot and cooking. Now, just like I told you, I'm going to go ahead and take this shrimp. Alrighty guys, I just want to thank you guys for taking the time to cook with me today. Please don't mind the hair. It's actually wash day. I have sister locks and I am in plaits, so I'm like, let me just throw a scarf on. So I didn't come on camera with my plaits hanging all over the place. But so that will do it today. We did our cabbage with shrimp, beef sausage, and it's looking real good. It's looking really good. I will go ahead and plate it for you guys, but I'm actually probably not gonna eat for about another 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah, but that is definitely a nice little and fast low carb and or keto meal. Believe it or not, but I don't need anything else. That alone will be filling for me. It will get me nice and full. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. If you want to see more of these videos, comment down below and let me know, and I'll throw out some more ideas there for you.